Aave value equivalent to $61.8100 a coin. The present reach. $61.5000, $62.2800. The earlier day close. $62.1900. The change was 0.3800, 0.61%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Aave. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost forecast for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $55.5. Greatest cost $67.0, least cost $51.4. The normal for the month $58.5. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $60.1, change for September 8.3%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at $60.1. Greatest cost $79.3, least cost $54.0. The normal for the month $62.9. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $58.1, change for October 3.3%. Aave cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $58.1. Greatest cost $58.1, least cost $45.8. The normal for the month $52.8. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $49.3, change for November 15.1%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $49.3. Most extreme cost $49.3, least cost $42.5. The normal for the month $46.7. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $45.7, change for December 7.3%. Aave cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $45.7. Greatest cost $53.9, least cost $45.7. The normal for the month $48.9. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $50.4, change for January 10.3%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Before all else cost at $50.4. Most extreme cost $50.4, least cost $42.6. The normal for the month $47.3. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $45.8, change for February 9.1%. Aave cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $45.8. Most extreme cost $46.4, least cost $40.4. The normal for the month $44.0. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $43.4, change for spring 5.2%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $43.4. Most extreme cost $44.5, least cost $38.7. The normal for the month $42.1. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $41.6, change for April 4.1%. Aave cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $41.6. Greatest cost $41.6, least cost $36.0. The normal for the month $39.5. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $38.7, change for May 7.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with cost at $38.7. Greatest cost $48.0, least cost $38.7. The normal for the month $42.6. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $44.9, change for June 16.0%. Aave cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $44.9. Greatest cost $44.9, least cost $35.1. The normal for the month $40.7. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $37.7, change for July 16.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $37.7. Most extreme cost $37.7, least cost $29.5. The normal for the month $34.2. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $31.7, change for August 15.9%. Aave cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $31.7. Greatest cost $38.1, least cost $31.7. The normal for the month $34.3. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $35.6, change for September 12.3%. Aave cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at $13.4. Greatest cost $16.6, least cost $13.4. The normal for the month $14.7. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $15.5, change for November 15.7%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Initially cost at $15.5. Most extreme cost $19.3, least cost $15.5. The normal for the month $17.1. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $18.0, change for December 16.1%. Aave cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $18.0. Most extreme cost $18.0, least cost $14.0. The normal for the month $16.3. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.1, change for January 16.1%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $15.1. Most extreme cost $15.1, least cost $12.1. The normal for the month $13.8. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $13.0, change for February 13.9%. Aave cost expectation for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $13.0. Most extreme cost $16.2, least cost $13.0. The normal for the month $14.3. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $15.1, change for spring 16.2%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Initially cost at $15.1. Most extreme cost $16.7, least cost $14.5. The normal for the month $15.5. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $15.6, change for April 3.3%. Aave cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $15.6. Greatest cost $19.4, least cost $15.6. The normal for the month $17.2. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $18.1, change for May 16.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. To start with cost at $18.1. Greatest cost $22.5, least cost $18.1. The normal for the month $19.9. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $21.0, change for June